welcome to my channel. Nah, I'm just playing. Why did you do that? Okay, anyway, so team no sleep, yay! Team bags under your eyes, yay! So anyways, hey y'all, it's your girl Tayshawn Miller, and I am going to start doing a series of Black-owned businesses and small businesses on my channel, where I will be what will I be doing? So pretty much I will be featuring, thank you Lord, that's the word I'm looking for, featuring. Well, I will be featuring small businesses and Black-owned businesses. So today, for the very first one that I will be featuring on my channel, is the website. It's a boutique called Chocolate I give up, y'all, already, because Chocolate Beauty Boutique. See, what we're not gonna do is get on camera and forget everything you rehearsed, girl. What is your problem? Like, get it together. Okay. Chocolate Beauty Boutique. We will be featuring them today. So without further ado, let's get to some of the items. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this cute wig bag. Who want their wig to be messing up? You don't just, we throw wigs. No, we're not throwing wigs in suitcases and none of that. We're not doing that. So it has this cute little zipper where you put your wig at. You want to put your headbands and stuff. So I'm getting ready to show you guys right now what I mean by that. So I do have a brand spanking new headband wig. I'll be doing a video on this, but I just want to use it for video purposes right now to show you guys what I mean by, you know, keeping your stuff together. So let's just say, you know, you're all packed for the summer. And you know, you got your little wig, you know, you got your little wig, you know, the little wig. And yes, she is synthetic, but we protecting her like she's 100% human, period. Okay, so you're gonna put your wig into here like so. And then, since it's a headband wig, it comes with the little accessories. Gonna put your little accessories in here as well. And you are going to, y'all, I got on this slippery robe. Okay, so because the robe is so slippery, it's keeps sliding down. Hold on a minute, y'all. Yeah. Cause honey, this is giving me very much confusion right now. All right, there we go. And baby, cause y'all, what y'all not finna do is get my wig all roughed up this summer. So this cute little bag, and after you put your wig in, you can go ahead and fold it down, pack it in your suitcase, like so. She's nice and protected. If it starts raining while you're, you know, taking your luggage and stuff out of a car, this plastic casing will help keep your wig nice and dry and protected. So I like this, y'all. Like, I really do like this. And you can even, up at the top here, you see where it has this opening, you can put a little hanger in here. And I actually have some hangers. They're like with the boots come on, or with the let me see where I get mine from. I get them from Walmart. I know that for a fact. Like, sometimes when you get like the jeggings or the jeans, they'll give you like, it's just a little small hangers about this wide, about that high, and they'll just hang it on there like that. Well, that will fit perfect in here, and you can put it out, and then you can even hang it up in the closet when you're at the hotel, you're spending the night at someone's house or whatever. Girl, hang your wig up. Treat your wig like you treat your clothes. Don't just throw your wig all around, because it's going to very much give frizzy vibes if you do that. So yes, I really love this bag. It's really cute. It's lightweight. All that. It's this pretty pink color. And yeah, so that was the first thing that you're going to need for your summer vacation. The second thing, oh, and I am, well, in the title, I know you guys see it say giveaway. I am giving away one of the items that I got. The second thing is these cute earrings, y'all. These earrings are so cute. And I am going to go ahead and take off my earrings and show you guys these earrings because they're so cute. Like, they are so cute. I'm going to show them to you up close. They're so, like, when I tell you these earrings are giving me ancestor vibes. Like, yeah. I'm definitely feeling these earrings. I think they're so cute. Like, so cute. And they're lightweight. If you're like me, I do not like heavy earrings at all. I see a lot of nice earrings that are cute and things like that, but I do not participate in wearing them because my earring hole is already dragged through the mud, and I'm not about to have it split all the way, honey. That's what we're not going to do. But yeah, these are super cute, super lightweight. When I tell you they're lightweight, they are lightweight. They're really, really lightweight. They're so cute. I want to just keep these on for the video, child. I'm not going to even take them off. I think because I just want to keep them on. So, like, out of the other two items, I don't even know what I want to show you guys because, like, like, I am in love with both of them, like, for sure. But I guess I will show the glasses first. The summer glasses. Now, originally, I was going to get these in pink, but I ended up getting them in black. Y'all, when I tell y'all that these are so cute, I'm going to have to come up close so you guys can see these because, oh, there it is. You can see it. It has the Fendi. Can you guys see that? Because I can see it. I know my ring light is probably glaring off right now, but there it is. You can see right there. It is. You can see right there. So it has the Fendi emblem. Well, when you click the link in my bio and go to her website, you'll get to see them. But y'all, I done wore these already. I'm not even gonna lie. And so many people was like, oh my God, those glasses are so cute. Where did you get them? Blah, 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 blah. I was like, girl, I'm gonna be doing a video for YouTube. So check my channel out so you can see them and click the link. But yeah, they're really sturdy. They're heavy duty. They're thick. They're not thin and chintzy at all. They're not giving Dollar Tree vibes at all. And yeah, they are beautiful. Like, I love them. Like I say, you can see the Fendi sign. So when you look at me in person, well, I think you'll see them because I am gonna put them on at the end of my video with my lashes. Oops, I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to tell y'all I had lashes, but of course it's me, so I ruined it. But yeah, so once again, here's a little up close of the frames. I wish you guys can like reach through the screen and touch them. They're really, like you said, they're giving bifocals when they turn to the side. So they're nice and thick. They're giving bifocal vibes. Seriously. You see that? They're not cheap. They're not Dollar Tree at all, honey. At all. You know what? I'm just gonna, because y'all keep asking me to try them on. I know that's what y'all saying right now. Put them on. Let me put them on. Because that's what y'all, I feel it. Through the screen, I feel you guys saying, put them on. Yes. Very much Disney vibes right now. Very much It's a Small World vibes right now. Very much Dumbo the flying elephant flying through the sky with my Fendi shades on vibes, honey. Yes. Yes. All right. So yeah, girl, imagine pink. Just imagine pink. That's all I'm gonna say. Imagine pink. So last but not least, and I am gonna show the giveaway just pipe down. Last but not least, these lashes. These lashes are a must-have for your summer vacation. Oh, so I gotta even open this. Okay, I thought they were already open, but they're not. So they're sanitized. Come through. So nobody has touched this stuff yet because it is very much sealed. The word for the night is very much. Type that in the comment section. In the comment section. Don't do this, vocals. Don't make me sing. Okay. I had to have a talk with myself real quick. But these are very much giving me Betty Boop. I cannot wait to put them on in a few minutes. Now, I like this kit because it comes with the tweezers to apply the lashes. And then, I'm going to, you know what? Let me just go ahead and, do I want to go ahead and open them? No, I don't want to open them. I'm going to open them in a minute. But anyway, it comes with a spoolie at the bottom. You see the spoolie? And I think that's really, really cute. And it has a screw-on top on there, so I guess, you know, you can keep that together. Wait a minute. Tell me why this is a blade, honey. This, no. It's a comb. That's cute. It's a comb. This is literally a comb at the bottom. And then the spoolie. So it's like a comb and a brush. So I guess you can brush either your lashes, your brows, or whatever, child. And then use the spoolie to define them and brush them out. So that's what is in this cute little set here. So I am going to open this up. I'm not even gonna lie. I have to do another video. So I need to show them. It's for another platform, so I need to show them this intact before I open it. But I will open it in a few minutes to put them on so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, so for the giveaway, because she also has clothes and like night gear and stuff like that on her website as well. Like I said, you guys make sure you check it out. So this shirt here, I'm gonna insert a picture of, so you know, kind of see it in some nice lighting, what it looks like. But I wanted to bless someone with this shirt for the giveaway. I picked this shirt out and I am going to give it to someone. And it says, it's so cute to me, guys. It's so cute. It says, whisper words of wisdom. I thought that that was like just so cute and dope. When I saw this shirt, I was like, yeah, I gotta get that shirt. So I definitely would like to bless someone with this shirt. It'll look cute with some jeans or something. You know what I mean? So yeah. And in order to get this, all you need to do is just comment down below why you want the shirt. Because what? Just tell me why you want the shirt. And make sure you like the video and make sure you are following me. And pretty much that's it. Okay? So I am going to go ahead and put on the lashes. Come back. Do a close-up so you guys can see what these lashes look like. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have on my earrings, which I love so much. I have on my shades, which I definitely love. I'm about to take them off because you can see the ring lights in the glare. But yes, and I have on my lashes. And these lashes are giving me, like I said, Betty Boop. They're giving me wispy. They're giving me, look at me. I have on bold lashes. They're cute. I love how sparse they are in between the lashes. Like, I hate when the lashes are so full that you can't see the definition of the actual lashes. Yeah, they're definitely a showstopper. And if you want to make a fashion statement, These are the lashes to do that. So once again, her information will definitely be in my description box. Her link will be there. All you have to do is click it, show her some love. Let's try to support our Black-owned businesses, our small businesses. You know, even if you just go on her site and just order a pair of lashes, just order a cute little purse, just order, you know, a little wallet, just something to show support for her business. And that's all. So that is all I have for you guys. I mean, I know I've been with y'all long enough. Thank you all for watching so much. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway if you would like the t-shirt. God bless, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.